Official KanthaBae unboxing. Okay. I don't know. Am I ready? Are we ready right now? Ooh. This feels good. The dream pullover. I love this color. I would definitely be down to style this right here. With this piece here. Let's get into some of these funky prints. Hold on, I love this because it has the Kantha material, but then the silk at the bottom. These colors, vibes. I'll put this on right now. Ooh, it's the way everything feels in my hands. Yes. Ooh, the goddess essence energy. Everything is just so cozy. This is a coat. Oh my gosh, it's a coat. And it's beautiful. I'm gonna try it on over my robe because it's just so cute and I just gotta put it on right now. Hold on now. What else do we have in here? Ooh, these pants are so cute. Very much an everyday piece. Okay, let's see. Ooh, and it's reversible. So that means it's 2 pairs of pants in one with 2 completely different vibes. Y'all, what? I love. Very divine happening with this dress. I love it. What else have we got? Oh my gosh. So I know I was the one who chose these pieces from KanthaBae website, but them in person is an experience, okay? And I love a one-piece outfit because it's already complete. Top and bottom is already taken care of. And I love that these pieces are reversible because it's literally 2 different outfits. This is side A and it's a whole vibe, okay? Whole vibe. All right. Then when we look on the other side, but wait, there's more. There's more. Ooh, it's a whole separate vibes. You got the purple and the yellow on this side. I'm loving this. Yes, loving this on the other side. Yes. And we've got more. Okay, the silk is just silky. The silk is silky. Yes. Oh my goodness. These bloomer pants? Oh, yes. Okay. Ooh, I love these pants. Okay. And these are reversible too, so it's a whole different vibe on the other side. Okay. Yes. But wait, there's more. Ooh, I love these two. Very easy everyday. Yep, easy everyday. Love these pants. Yes. The way these pieces divinely blend into my closet immediately, I'm inspired to start styling them with other pieces that I have, and I love it. This was bliss. Which one was your favorite?